Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your name on the X app, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your profile, follow these simple steps to make the change. First, open the X app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update your name. Next, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button and tap it. This opens up a menu where you can make changes to various aspects of your profile. Now, tap on your name field. Here, you'll see your current name displayed. Delete the existing name and type in the new name that you want to use for your account. Finally, tap Save to confirm your changes. Your new name will now appear on your profile, visible to everyone who visits it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name on the X app in just a few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance.